Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you fix Windows cannot connect to the printer. Operation failed with error 0x000004f8. Let's go start. Now go to the computer where the printer is installed. Press the Windows key and type in the control panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Under your current profile, Private, turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. Under All Networks, turn off Password Protected Sharing, then click Save Change. Close the window. Press the Windows key and type in the control panel, and click on Control Panel into the search bar. Then click on Devices and Printers. Then click on Printer and Scanners. Now select your current printers and click it. Click on Printer Properties. Go to Security tab on Windows. Just search for User Everyone, and if you don't find it here, then click on Add, type here Everyone. Click OK. Select Everyone and ensure the user account or everyone has print permissions. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Click on HKey Local Machine. System. Current control set. Control. Scroll down. Then click on Print and go to the right site. Just search for RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled, and if you don't find it here, then type it here. Right-click on it and select the D-word 32-bit value from the menu. Type here RpcAuthnLevelPrivacyEnabled. Right-click on it and go to Modify and set the value 0, then click OK. Press the Windows key Search for Services and click the top result to open the console. We are Select Standard. Scroll down. Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. And go Server. Right-click Server and select Restart from the context menu. Close window. Now restart your computer. Back to client computer. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Navigate to HKey Local Machine. Then click Software. Then click on Policies. Then click Microsoft. Windows. Lamon Workstation, if it doesn't exist. Right-click Windows and go to New, then click on Key. Then type here Lamon Workstation. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select Lamon Workstation and to right side. Select New D-word 32-bit value. Name it Allow and Secure Desktop. and set the value to 1. Close window. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and click Open. Click Windows Credentials. Then click Windows Credentials. Then click Add a Windows credential. On the next window, enter the correct printer server name, along with login credentials. Close the window. Press the Windows key, search for services, and click the top result to open the console. Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Close the interface. Restart your computer. Press Windows plus or open the Run command. Then type the // host PC IP address or name. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.